So we continue exercise 4.3. Find the roots if they exist by completing the square method. Third part of question. First, four x square plus 4 root 3x. 4x square plus 4 root 3x plus 3 equals to 0. So firstly we have to check whether the roots exist or not. So for existence, firstly we compare with the standard equation. Ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Value of a is 4. The value of b is 4 root 3. And the value of c is 3. So b square minus 4ac. 4 root 3 the whole square minus 4 into 4 into 3. This is 48 minus 48 equals to 0. So roots exist. Now write down the question. 4x square plus 4 root 3x plus 3 equals to 0. The coefficient of x square should be 1. Here the coefficient of x square is 4. So 4 would be taken common. So x square plus root 3x plus 3 by 4 equals to 0. This 4 becomes 0. So x square plus root 3x plus 3 by 4 equals to 0. All the terms are positive. So a plus b the whole square formula will be used. So make it square form x the whole square. Then we have to use the formula 2ab. So 2a की प्लेस पे x और b की प्लेस पे कौन सी वैल्यू डाली जाए जिससे यहाँ पे रूट 3x आ जाए. तो b की प्लेस पे अगर हम रूट 3/2 लिखते हैं तो 2 से 2 कैंसिल होगा और रूट 3 into x comes to the root 3x. So we got the value of b, a square plus 2ab plus b the whole square, root 3/2 the whole square. उसके बाद नेक्स्ट स्टेप में क्या करना था, कांस्टेंट टर्म को राइट साइड. So x square plus root 3x equals to minus 3/4. So equals to minus 3/4. और जो चीज इधर एक्स्ट्रा ऐड की गई है LHS में वही RHS में एक्स्ट्रा ऐड करनी है. So root 3/2 the whole square. Now this becomes the formula a plus b the whole square. X plus root 3/2 the whole square. And on RHS minus 3/4 plus root 3 the square 3/4. RHS minus 3/4 plus 3/4 and this gets 0, gets cancelled. So x plus root 3/2 the whole square equals to 0 and x plus root 3/2 into x plus root 3/2 equals to 0. From both these expressions we get the value of x equals to minus root 3/2 from here, and from here also we get the value of x minus root 3/2. So these are the two roots of the quadratic equation. See question number fourth part of first. This is 2x square plus x plus 4 equals to 0. 2x square plus x plus 4 equals to 0. Compare by the standard equation. Ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Value of a is 2. B is 1 and the value of C comes to be 4. Now check the existence. B square minus 4AC, 1 the whole square minus 4 into 2 into 4, 1 minus 32 which is minus 31 less than 0. So its root doesn't exist. Its root doesn't exist. No need to find the roots because it doesn't exist. Now the second question. Find the roots of the quadratic equation by applying the quadratic formula. By applying the quadratic formula. So quadratic formula means three-dhara charge formula. X equals to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So all these questions we have to find by the formula, quadratic formula. Find the roots if they exist by the method quadratic formula. So the first part of the second question. This is 2x square minus 7x plus 3. 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equals to 0. Again we compare with the standard equation. Ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Value of a is 2. The value of b is minus 7 and the value of c is 3. Then we have to write the formula. The formula is x equals to minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2. Use all these values. Minus b, already there is minus and the value of b is also minus. So minus of minus 7. Plus minus root b square minus 7 the whole square 49 minus 4 into 2 into 3 upon 2 into 2 minus plus 7 plus minus root over 49 minus 24 upon 4 and 7 plus minus 49 minus 24 25 and the square root of 25 is 5. So the first value 7 plus 5 by 4 and 7 minus 5 by 4. So this is x equals to 7 plus 5 by 4, 12 by 4, 3. So the value of x we get 12 by 4, 3 and from here 2 by 2. So these are the two values of x and which is also called the roots of the quadratic equation. The second question is 2x square plus x minus 4. 2x square plus x minus 4 equals to 0. Again we compare by the standard equation. Ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. The value of a is 2. The value of b is 1 and the value of c is minus 4. Now write the formula. Quadratic formula minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a and put the values. So minus b means minus 1 plus minus b square 1 by square 1 minus 4 into a into c minus 4 upon 2 into 2. So minus 1 plus minus under root of 1 minus minus plus 16 into root 32 upon 4 and we get minus 1 plus minus root 33 by 4. So the two values of x we get minus 1 plus root 33 by 4 and the other value minus 1 minus root 33 by 4. So these are the two roots of the quadratic equation. Now for the third question.
third part of question number second. This is 4x square plus 4 root 3x. 4x square plus 4 root 3x and plus 3 equals to 0. Compare with the standard equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. The value of a is 4, the value of b is 4 root 3 and the value of c is 3. Then we have to write the formula. Quadratic formula. So x equals to minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a minus b means minus 4 root 3 plus minus root over b square means 4 root 3 the whole square minus 4 into a means 4 and the value of c is 3 upon 2a means 2 into 4. So minus 4 root 3 plus minus under root of, this comes to be 48 minus 48 upon 2 into 4, 8. So this gives minus 4 root 3 plus minus 4 root 3 plus minus 48 minus 48 0 upon 8. So minus 4 root 3 upon 8 and 4 into 2 8 means minus root 3 by 2. 4x square plus 4 root 3x plus 3 equals to 0. B square minus 4ac upon 2a. So we get minus root 3 by 2. The value of x is minus root 3 by 2. Now see question number 3. Question number 3. Find the roots of the following equations. The first part of it. We have to find the roots and the question is x minus 1 by x equals to 3. X minus 1 by x is equals to 3 and x is not equals to 0. So we take LCM. Then it becomes x square minus 1 equals to 3. Do cross multiplication. X square minus 1 equals to 3x and x square minus 3x minus 1 equals to 0. Now we have to factorize this term. We have to make the factor of this. So compare by the standard equation. Ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. The value of a is 1, b is minus 3 and c is minus 1. Write down the formula. Minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So minus b means minus minus plus 3 plus minus root b square 9 minus 4 into 1 4ac. X minus 1 by x equals to 3. Find the roots. So by LCM x square minus 1 and x square minus 3x minus 1 equals to 0. B minus 3, c minus 1 minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So minus b plus minus b square 3 the whole square minus 4ac means plus 4 upon 2a and it gives 3 plus minus root 13 by 2. The value of x
comes to be 3 minus plus minus root 13 by 2. So these are the two values. One is 3 plus root 13 by 2 and the other is 3 minus root 13 by 2. See next question. 1 by x plus 4 minus second part. 1 by x plus 4 minus 1 upon x minus 7. 1 upon x minus 7 equals to 11 by 30. And x is not equals to minus 4. x की वैल्यू minus 4 नहीं होनी चाहिए. The value of x not should be minus 4. So we take LCM. So x plus 4 and x minus 7. X plus 4 gets cancelled and it comes x minus 7 minus x minus 7 gets cancelled and we get x plus 4. And this is equals to 11 by 2. Now solve the numerator. X minus 7 and minus x and minus plus minus 4 upon multiply these two terms. So x into x, x square minus 7x then plus 4x and minus 28 equals to 11 by 30. So from x and x cancelled and it gives minus 7 minus 11 upon x square minus 7 plus 4x minus 3x minus 28 equals to 11 by 30. 11 and 11 gets cancelled, so minus 1 upon x square minus 3x minus 28 equals to 1 by 30. Do cross multiplication. So x square minus 3x minus 28 equals to minus 30 and x square minus 3x minus 28 plus 30 equals to 0. And we get x square minus 3x plus 2 equals to 0. Now make its factor. So this can be written as minus 2x minus x plus 2 equals to 0. From first two terms, x is common. So we get x minus 2 and from last two terms, if there is nothing common, we can take one as a common. X minus 2 equals to 0. X minus 2 is common, x minus 1 equals to 0. So x minus 2 equals to 0, this implies x equals to 2. And when x minus 1 equals to 0, this implies x equals to 1. So these are the two solutions, x equals to 1 and x equals to 2. There is a word column. Question number 4. The sum of the reciprocals of Rahman's ages 3 years ago and 5 years from now. The sum of the reciprocals. The sum of the reciprocals. The sum of the reciprocals of Rahman's ages The sum of the reciprocals of the Rahman's ages 3 years ago. 3 years ago. And 5 years from now.
and 5 years from now. Age 1 by 3. Find his present age. Age 1 by 3. Find his present age. So we have given that sum of the reciprocals of Rahman's ages 3 years ago and 5 years from the now is 1 by 3. So let Rahman's present age be x years. Then 3 years ago, Rahman's age. रहमान की प्रेजेंट एज x है, तो 3 years ago यानी 3 years पहले उसकी एज कितनी थी? तो x minus 3 years थी. And 5 years from now means after 5 years रहमान's एज, अभी से 5 साल के बाद 5 years आफ्टर रहमान की एज कितनी होगी? x plus 5 years. Now sum of their ages 3 years ago and 5 years from now. Sum of the reciprocals means 1 upon x minus 3 plus 1 upon x plus 1. And this is we have given 1 by 3. Take LCM x minus 3 x plus 5. We get x plus 5 plus x minus 3 equals to 1 by 3, x plus x 2x, 5 minus 3 2. Remove this bracket by multiplying them, x into x, x square, x into 5, 5x, minus 3 into x, minus 3x, and minus plus minus 15 equals to 1 by 3. Do cross multiplication. So x square into 1, x square 5x minus 3x, 2x, 2x into 1. 2x and minus 15 into 1. 15 equals to 3 into 2. 6x plus 6. So we get x square plus 2x and 6x will go on left side. Minus 6x and minus 15. And this 6 goes on left side. Becomes negative. Minus 6 equals to 0. Then x square minus 4x minus 21 equals to 0. Make its factor. X square minus 7x plus 3x minus 21 equals to 0. From first two terms, x is common. So x minus 7, 3 is common. X minus 7 equals to 0. X minus 7, x plus 3 equals to 0. When x minus 7 equals to 0, we get x equals to 7. When x plus 3 equals to 0, we get x equals to minus 3. So minus 3 would not be taken because age never be negative. So present age of Rahman is 7. The present age of Rahman is 7. 7 years. Let us see question number 5. Fifth question. In a class test, the sum of Cephali's marks. In a class test, the sum of, in a class test, the sum of Cephali's marks in mathematics and English. Sum of Cephali's marks in maths and English. Sum of the marks obtained in maths and English is 30. Is 30. Had she got 2 marks more in mathematics? Had she got 2 marks? Had she got 2 marks more in mathematics? 2 marks more in mathematics and 3 marks less in English. 3 marks less in English. Had she got 2 marks more in mathematics and 3 marks less in English, the product of their marks would be 210. The product of their marks. The product of their marks would be. The product of their marks would be 210. Find her marks in 2 subjects. Find her marks in 2 subjects means in mathematics and English. We have to find her marks. So let Shefali's marks in maths is X. She got X marks in mathematics and in English the marks she got is Y. In English mathematics she got X marks and in English she got Y marks, and the sum of their marks is 30, means X plus Y equals to 30. This is the first number equation. Had she got 2 marks in mathematics, so new marks in maths. She got 2 extra marks, means X plus 2, and 3 marks less in English. New marks in English. 3 marks less, Y minus 3. Then the product of their marks would be 210. X into Y means X plus 2, Y minus 3. H equals to 210. Now solve this and name it second number equation. Eliminate the value of Y from first. So from first, the value of Y comes to be 30 minus X. This is third number equation. And put the value of Y in equation second. Put the value of Y in equation second. So we get X plus 2 and Y, the value of Y is 30 minus X and minus 3 equals to 210. Now we solve. So X plus 2 and 30 minus 3, 27. So 27 minus X equals to 210. Remove the bracket. 27x minus x square plus 54 minus 2x equals to 210 minus x square and plus 27x and minus 27x plus 25x plus 54 and minus 210 equals to 0. 210 will go on left side. Its sign gets changed. It becomes negative. So minus x square plus 25x and 54 minus 210 we get minus of 156. 156. 210 minus 50. 156. So taking minus as common, x square minus 25x plus 156 equals to 0, and x square minus 15x 25x plus 156 equals to 0. Its factor will be 12 and 13. X square minus 13x minus 12x plus 156 equals to 0. From these two terms, x is common, so x minus 13 minus 12 is common, and x minus 13 equals to 0. X minus 13 is common, we get x minus 12 equals to 0. So x minus 13 equals to 0, and the value of x is 13. X minus 12 equals to 0, so the value of x equals to 12. So when we put x equals to 12 from equation number 30, at x equals to 13, the value of y will be 30 minus 13, 70, and at x equals to 12, the value of y will be 30 minus 12, that is 18. So either she got 13 marks in mathematics and 17 in English, or she got 12 marks in mathematics, then 18 marks in